Welcome to this Squarespace review. If you're looking for an easy-to-use website builder with a focus on stunning design, Squarespace might be the platform for you. In this video, I'll take you through everything Squarespace offers, from the templates to the user interface, and share my honest opinion on whether it's a good choice for building a website. First, let's talk about the templates. Squarespace offers a wide variety of professionally designed templates, perfect for any type of website, whether you're creating a personal blog, a portfolio, or an online store. These templates are highly customizable, so even though they have a polished look right out of the box, you can tweak them to fit your brand and style. The drag-and-drop editor is intuitive, making it easy for anyone, even with no web design experience, to get started. Next, we have the features. Squarespace is packed with useful tools, including blogging features, e-commerce capabilities, built-in SEO tools, and integrations with third-party services. One of the things that stands out to me is its robust blogging platform. Whether you're a professional blogger or someone just starting out, Squarespace makes it easy to publish, manage, and promote your posts. For e-commerce users, Squarespace offers an impressive set of tools to manage an online store, track inventory, and process payments seamlessly. Many useful links can be found in the description after watching the video. These resources can help you explore more about website design, development tools, and additional tips for building a successful online presence. Now, let's talk about the user interface. One of the best things about Squarespace is how simple it is to use. You don't need to be a developer to create a functional and attractive website. The platform is all-in-one, so hosting and security are taken care of without needing any third-party services. However, keep in mind that this simplicity can also be limiting for advanced users who want complete control over their site's design and functionality. While Squarespace gives you a lot of flexibility, it doesn't allow for as much customization as open-source builders like WordPress. Overall, Squarespace is a great choice for users who want a sleek, professional-looking website with minimal hassle. Whether you're building a blog, portfolio, or online store, the platform's design and functionality make it one of the top website builders available today. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe for more content and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful.